Hey everyone, welcome back to Bone-Chilling Curiosity. Today, we're diving into one of the year's most anticipated events, the world premiere of Gladiator II. Nearly 24 years after the original Gladiator stole our hearts and took home the Oscar for Best Picture, Ridley Scott is back with the next chapter in this epic saga. And believe me, the premiere was nothing short of spectacular. On November 13th, London's iconic Leicester Square played host to the global premiere of Gladiator II. The red carpet was graced by Hollywood royalty and actual royalty, with King Charles III himself attending the event. This star-studded affair featured cast members Paul Mescal, Pedro Pascal, Joseph Quinn, Fred Hechinger, Connie Nielsen, and even the legendary Denzel Washington. Paul Mescal, taking on the pivotal role of Lucius, the nephew of Maximus, was joined by co-stars Pedro Pascal and Denzel Washington, among others. Director Ridley Scott, still a visionary at 86, walked the carpet looking thrilled to showcase what he calls his most ambitious film yet. So what's Gladiator II all about? Set years after the tragic death of Maximus, the film follows Lucius as he's forced back into the brutal arena of the Colosseum. His quest is one of vengeance and redemption, fighting to restore the glory of Rome. It's a story about power, intrigue, and the strength we find in our past. Scott has promised fans a spectacle that surpasses even the original. In a recent Q&A, Scott mentioned that this sequel is perhaps his most ambitious film. With such an incredible cast and a story that digs deep into the legacy of Gladiator, could this finally be the Oscar moment for Scott himself? The premiere wasn't just about the film, it was also a charity event, supporting the film and TV charity, celebrating its 100th anniversary. A night filled with glamour, talent, and goodwill. And for those of you eager to witness this new chapter, Gladiator II hits theaters on November 22nd. Let us know in the comments, will you be watching? And how do you think this sequel will live up to the original classic? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in entertainment. Until next time, keep the fight.